Stop scrolling. Hit that subscribe button. Seriously, 99% of you are lurking and not subscribing. It's free, takes a second, and boosts your Bangkok street cred. Do it now, or risk missing out on every expat hack you ever wanted. Okay, let's get down to the juicy stuff. Reporting straight from the wild world of Pattaya, where the only thing that changes faster than the bar girls' WhatsApp numbers are the visa and banking rules. If you're dreaming of long sunsets, cheap beers, and avoiding bureaucratic migraines, you need to hear this. Here's the scoop. Opening a bank account in Thailand used to be easier than ordering a Leo on Walking Street. Not anymore. If you rolled up with nothing but a tourist stamp and a big smile, you'd walk out with a shiny Bangkok Bank account. Those days are gone. Now, most banks have slammed the brakes, especially after a flood of newbies on the DTV, digital Nomad visa, tried sneaking in their dodgy Bitcoin gains. Scammers messed it up for everyone. Cheers, lads. But listen up, not all hope is lost. If you're rolling with a proper long-term visa, think non-immigrant O or B, there's still a legit path. The game plan now? You open the account tied to your visa process, but the bank freezes it until you get that golden 90-day stamp. Once that stamp's in your passport, boom. Your account opens up like a cold chang after a sweaty soy stroll. Tourist visa holders, though? That privilege is finished. Don't even try sliding your way around it, unless you want headaches and a closed account down the line. Now, about the infamous DTV visa. Officially, it's a digital nomad's dream. Unofficially, not so much. Thanks to some creative freelancing by people who thought digital meant do whatever you like, major banks, looking at you, Bangkok Bank, won't touch DTV holders for new accounts. Don't panic. If you're running your hustle legally, you don't actually need a Thai account for DTV. Just keep your home account happy and tread carefully with wire transfers. Bitcoin bros, extra warning. Anything that smells like crypto in your account? Expect drama and maybe a frozen account. Thailand's not playing with that. Thinking of bringing the missus back to your home country for a quick flex in London? You'll need receipts, literally. Prove you know her for a while, support her, and show there's a legit relationship. Western embassies want to see history, not just bar tabs and selfies. No cash in the envelope nonsense either. They want the money trail. It's all about proving she'll actually go back to Thailand after seeing Big Ben, so stack up those receipts, WhatsApp logs, rental contracts, baby pics, anything that shows you're a real pair and not another tourist romance cliché. Licenses getting you dizzy? Here's the quick playbook. Driving licenses. Quickest on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays. Get the right paperwork, take the Rayong ride, and boom, you're licensed by noon. For your first license, you, and even the Thais, get just 2 years. After that, you're looking at a 5-year one, and the sweet option for an international permit. Got a license from a non-English country? Get that international license before flying in, saves cash, headaches, and keeps your insurance legit for the first 90 days. Here's a street-level PSA. Riding your scooter helmetless down Beach Road? Don't. The fine used to be a cheeky 500 baht, but now it can clock up to 2,000 if the cop's having a bad day. How much you cough up depends on your attitude and whether you're papered up. No license and no helmet? Prepare to pay extra for being a Muppet. And remember, no helmet, no insurance if you hit a curb. Don't say we didn't warn you. A few more quick-fire hacks for anyone planning the expat leap. Opening a Thai bank account? You'll need a current license and at least 15-16 months left on your passport. Don't leave home with a nearly expired passport. Rookie move. Phone apps or online banking, frozen. No panic. Roll into your provider, get a receipt with your name and number, and bring it to the bank. Most of the time they're just updating records, not plotting to freeze your cash forever like some rumor mill says. If you rolled into Thailand 2 or 3 years ago, you've likely dodged most of the banking chaos. The heat's mostly on accounts opened in the last 18 months, so if your app goes dark, just update your paperwork and get things back on track. And look, Navigating the expat paper trail here isn't hard. It just pays to know who to ask. There's help out there for retirement visas, marriage visas, kid visas, driving licenses, even those sticky, "Can you sort my mess out before immigration notices?" requests. Here's my pro move. If you're planning to do things right, retirement, driving, long-term stay, line up your paperwork and ask for help before you get caught out. Legal protection outfits here are worth the bot, especially for newbies. If you find yourself needing a midnight rescue at Lumpini police station, you'll thank me. So slap that subscribe, drop your questions below, and don't do anything dumb like winging it in a country where my Penrai stops at the immigration desk. That's the real Pattaya update. Banking, visas, licenses, and the hard-won hacks you won't find in tourist brochures. Catch you next round, legends.